Did you know that acorns, often overlooked as mere squirrel snacks, are among the most nutritious foods available, packed with essential nutrients and a rich history of use in various cultures? Acorns offer a unique opportunity for those interested in sustainable living and foraging. Have you ever considered venturing out to gather these remarkable nuts? If so, you're in for a rewarding culinary adventure. Here's how to forage, store, and cook with acorns, transforming them from forest floor fodder into delightful dishes. Foraging for acorns. The first step in your acorn journey is foraging. Acorns are typically harvested in the fall, from late September through November, depending on your location. Look for acorns that have fallen from oak trees, which can be identified by their distinctive lobed leaves. You'll find them on the ground beneath the trees, often scattered in abundance. When selecting acorns, choose ones that are firm and free from cracks or holes. Acorns with a few small blemishes are fine, but avoid those with large cracks or signs of mold. A good rule of thumb is to give them a light shake. If they rattle, they might be hollow or infested. It's also wise to collect a variety of acorns from different oak species, as some are sweeter or more palatable than others. Storing acorns. Once you've gathered your acorns, proper storage is crucial to ensure they remain in good condition. Start by removing the caps from the acorns and discarding any that are damaged or infested. To prepare them for long-term storage, you'll need to leach out the tannins, bitter compounds that make raw acorns unpleasant to eat. Begin by soaking the acorns in water for several hours or overnight. Drain and rinse them, then repeat the process several times, changing the water frequently. After leaching, dry the acorns thoroughly. You can either air dry them or use an oven set to a low temperature, around 150 degrees Fahrenheit or 65 degrees Celsius, to speed up the process. Once completely dry, store the acorns in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. For extended storage, they can be kept in the refrigerator or freezer. Cooking with acorns. Now that your acorns are properly prepared, it's time to explore how to cook with them. There are numerous ways to enjoy acorns, from savory dishes to sweet treats. 1. Acorn flour. One of the most versatile uses for acorns is turning them into flour. Start by grinding roasted acorns in a food processor or coffee grinder until you achieve a fine consistency. Acorn flour can be used in baking as a substitute for part of the wheat flour in recipes. It adds a nutty flavor and increases the nutritional value of your baked goods. 2. Acorn pancakes. For a delicious breakfast twist, incorporate acorn flour into your pancake batter. Combine it with regular flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix in eggs, milk, and a touch of honey or maple syrup. Cook as you would traditional pancakes for a unique and hearty start to your day. 3. Acorn soup. To make a rich, comforting soup, start by sautéing onions, garlic, and celery in a pot. Add diced acorn pieces and vegetable or chicken broth. Simmer until the acorns are tender, then blend the mixture until smooth. Season with herbs and spices to taste, and enjoy a creamy, flavorful soup. 4. Roasted acorns. For a simple and satisfying snack, roast acorns with a bit of olive oil and your favorite spices. Spread them on a baking sheet and roast at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes or until they are golden brown and crispy. These make for a great addition to salads or just a crunchy snack on their own. 5. Acorn coffee. If you're a coffee enthusiast, try making a coffee substitute using acorns. Roast and grind them to create a nutty, caffeine-free beverage. It won't mimic coffee exactly, but it offers a unique flavor experience. Acorns are a testament to nature's bounty and a delicious reminder of our connection to the environment. By foraging, storing, and cooking with them, you not only engage in a rewarding culinary practice, but also embrace sustainable living. So next time you see those acorns scattered on the ground, consider the potential they hold and perhaps give them a try in your kitchen. Happy foraging! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.